Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can make GIF in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and you will see search options and search here animated social media. After that you will see create blank options, so click on it. And here select the multiple images for GIF. And here you will see gallery options, so click on it and click on images and then select the images for your GIF. Then click on add to page. So after that adjust the size. So after adjusting the size you will see plus options, so click on it and then again click on gallery and again select the pictures. Then click on add to page and then click on again plus options. And you will see gallery options, so select the another pictures. So after that you will see again plus options, so click on it again and select the another pictures. So guys, after selecting the pictures, so when you will click on one images and you will see time options, so click on it and here select the time. So here select 0.5 second. So after selecting the time, apply to all pages. So after that I will show you when I play it, it look like this. So after making GIF you will see share options, so click on it and then click on download options and here you will see file type options, so click on it and here you will see GIF options, so click on it and then click on download options. So guys, in this way your GIF is downloading. So I will show you in the gallery. So you can see when I will open it, you can see it's look like this, very amazing. So guys, in this way you can make GIF in the Canva. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.